Here are 7 innocent phrases women use that secretly mean, I want you. 95% of men miss it when a woman is quietly telling them, I want you. She won't say it outright. That would make things too obvious. Instead, she slips it into casual conversation, disguised as harmless words. But here's the secret. When she's feeling that spark, even her most innocent phrases take on a hidden edge. These aren't pick-up lines or dramatic declarations. They're everyday comments that fly under the radar unless you know exactly what to listen for. A simple, you'd be fun to hang out with, or I feel so comfortable around you, might sound friendly, but in the right tone and context, they're far from innocent. Once you start catching these phrases, you'll never hear them the same way again. Here are 7 innocent phrases women use that secretly mean, I want you. 1. I'm so glad that I met you. On the surface, this sounds like nothing more than a polite compliment, but when she says this with a certain warmth in her eyes, it's often more than small talk. It's her way of telling you that meeting you wasn't just nice, it was meaningful. In psychology, moments like this are called emotional anchors. She's associating you with a positive emotional high point, and she wants you to know you've left a lasting impression. Pay attention to how she says it. If her tone slows, her smile lingers, or she lightly touches your arm when saying it, that's not just gratitude, it's a quiet hint that she wants more moments with you. When you hear this, don't just brush it off with, same here. Lock eyes, smile, and say something that deepens the connection, like, I'm glad too. I think we've got something good here. That acknowledgement can take her warm sentiment and turn it into an opening for more intimacy. 2. You are my favourite. Ever had her say this out of nowhere, maybe while you're laughing or sharing a casual moment? It might sound playful, but in reality, it's one of the most personal rankings she can give you. Humans naturally form social hierarchies, and in psychology, being labelled someone's favourite is a way of signalling special treatment and special interest. This phrase often comes with extra cues. Maybe she tilts her head, uses a softer voice, or holds your gaze a moment longer than usual. Sometimes she'll even say it as a question. You know you're my favourite, right? To fish for your reaction. The subtext. She's setting you apart from every other guy in her orbit. If you catch her saying this, don't just laugh it off. Play along in a way that adds a touch of tension, like, good, I'd hate to be second place. That keeps the energy flirty while confirming you caught the underlying message. 3. I adore you. This isn't something people say to just anyone, and when she uses it with you, it's layered with emotion. I adore you isn't the same as you're nice or you're fun. In psychological terms, adoration blends affection with admiration, meaning she sees you in a light that's more intimate than friendly. The way she delivers it matters. If her voice softens, her eyes warm, or she lets a small pause fall after the words, she's letting the weight of the statement hang in the air. Often, it's dropped during a quiet moment, maybe after you've done something that makes her feel protected, appreciated, or understood. That's when attraction often peaks, when she feels emotionally safe but also physically aware of you. If she says this, meet her energy with a sincere but slightly playful reply like, careful. Keep saying things like that and I'll get used to it. That lets her know you appreciate her words while keeping the door open for something more charged. 4. I just love being around you. This one sounds like the ultimate friendly compliment, but don't underestimate it. When she tells you she loves being around you, it's not just about enjoying your company, it's about wanting more of it. In psychology, repetition and proximity build attachment, and this phrase is her way of justifying why she wants that closeness. She's telling you that your presence changes her mood, makes her feel good, and maybe even excites her in ways she's not ready to put directly into words. Watch for when she says it. Is it after a laugh-filled evening? In a quiet moment when you're both relaxed? Those are high emotion contexts where attraction can grow fast. If she gives you this line, lean in slightly and respond with something that acknowledges her pull, like, That's because we make a good team. It signals you're open to more of those moments and leaves room for her to take things further. 5. I love how well we click when we're together. When she says this, she's not just pointing out that you get along, she's hinting that there's an undeniable spark. That click is more than sharing hobbies or laughing at the same jokes. It's about an effortless rhythm where you both seem to be on the same wavelength. Psychologists call this interpersonal synchrony, when two people naturally mirror each other's energy, expressions, and pace without even trying. This creates a feeling of rightness that the brain associates with compatibility and attraction. So when she tells you she loves how well you click, she's acknowledging that deeper connection in a casual, safe way. Pay attention to when this comes up. Is it after playful teasing, shared glances, or a moment of quiet understanding? Those are high attraction moments. If she says it, lean into that energy. Keep the conversation flowing, maybe share a personal story, or hold her gaze a little longer than usual. That small shift can take the click from friendly to charged, and she'll feel the difference instantly. 6. You make everything better. Have you ever noticed how powerful it feels when a woman says, you improve their day just by being there? When she tells you, you make everything better, she's tying her positive emotions directly to you. And that's not a small thing. In psychology, this is known as emotional association, where your presence becomes linked with comfort, happiness, or excitement. This line isn't usually tossed out to just anyone. It's a subtle, safe way to show that she values the way you make her feel. If she says it after you've made her laugh, helped her with something, or simply walked into the room, she's reinforcing that your energy matters to her. The more she associates you with good feelings, the stronger that attraction can grow. When you hear this, don't just brush it off. Amplify the moment. Smile. Keep the vibe light. Or add a small physical gesture like a light touch on her arm. That reinforcement deepens the emotional link, making her even more drawn to being around you. 7. I feel so comfortable with you. At first, this might sound like something a friend would say, but in the right tone and setting, it's a strong signal of trust. Comfort is a huge part of attraction, because without it, most women won't let things go further. In psychology, this is called lowering defenses, when someone feels safe enough to relax, be themselves, and open up emotionally. If she says she's comfortable with you while sitting close, holding your gaze, or letting her guard down in conversation, she's creating a space where intimacy can grow naturally. Comfort doesn't kill attraction, it fuels it, because it allows playfulness and closeness without awkwardness. When she tells you this, she's letting you know she's in that safe space with you. Instead of just saying thanks, stay in that moment. Keep your tone warm, maybe share something personal of your own, or subtly move closer. That mix of emotional safety and physical proximity can quickly shift the dynamic from casual to deeply connected, and she'll remember how it felt.